How to send money using PayPal. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to send money with PayPal. So to send money with PayPal, make sure that your account is verified and that you have already linked your bank account or credit card details. Now open the PayPal application and log into your account. After which you just need to go ahead and click on the payment section, right? So make sure to go ahead and verify your identity by providing a biometric as well. And here, what you have to do is just simply click on send and request options. When you click on it, the option will appear that you have to enter in the recipient details. So type in the recipient details to whom you want to actually go ahead and send the money to. Now for example, I'm going to send to this person. All right, let's see. Now type in the exact amount and make sure to select the currency type as well, whether it's USD or not. And if you want to add a note, you could add the note in as well. You could add in a sticker as well. Click on the review button, or you could just go ahead and click on you could then go ahead and head back, and if you're sure about it, click on the next button. After which, if you've not linked your bank account, then it's going to ask you to link it. And accordingly, you have to follow the on-screen prompt. And this is the way you could send money using PayPal. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.